Hi, welcome to Mom's Trini Cooking. Today I am making chop up or chip up Saheena. If you want to see how I make my chop up Saheena, keep watching. For this recipe, I will be using ground split peas flour, and in Trinidad we call it grind dal. White flour, frozen spinach, yeast, saffron, salt, baking powder, hot peppers, garlic, chop up onion, and some water. If you want to see how I do this recipe, keep watching. I'm going to start by mixing all the dry ingredients in my bowl here. I'll put everything in. And then I'm going to, the garlic and the pepper, I'm going to put it in my blender and grind it and use that water for mixing the flour. Now I'm just going to mix everything together. Now I'm going to add the water and mix together. I'll throw in some and mix, and it don't have to be super soft, but it's got to be a little bit firm. And it don't even have to sit long. You can fry it as soon as you finish mixing, or you can leave it for a half an hour. See how it's coming in here? This is what you want it to look like when you're finished mixing it together. I think this looks like a good texture here that it is. See? You can form a little patty like this, a little roundness state for frying. Looks perfect. And you don't have to like over mix. Once you get it combined like this together, it should be fine. I have my oil on medium to low heat and it's ready, so I'm going to start making my little balls and flatten it. I'm going to use some water because I don't want it to stick, but you don't want to use too much water for it to splatter when you put it in the, or pitch up on you. So I'm just using a little bit, like about this much here, and I'm just going to flatten it. Maybe along this here. Roll it like this and then just flatten it. You could press the middle just a little bit so it doesn't swell up and doesn't cook in the middle. So it's nice size for appetizers. The taste is actually the taste is just like when you make the rolled Saheena. It's just, this is a quick, easy one to do. I will let it fry for a minute or two on each side and then check it. And once it gets brown, it should be okay on a medium to low heat. You just keep turning until it gets evenly brown or a nice color. because right now it's cooked as it is. I'm just waiting to get a pretty color on it. I think this color is nice, so I'm going to take them out like this. Put it on my wax paper. This is my chop up Saheena with a fresh mango chutney. If you want to see the recipe for my mango chutney, click here. I did it a while back. And it's a good snack for an appetizer if you're having a party or something, or you just want to snack on something, you can put it together really fast. Hope you enjoyed today's recipe. And if you like it, let me know. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and watch.